In this video, I'm going to talk about the no index tag that you can add to important pages of yours that you do not want the search engines to index. So there are certain pages, as much as we want Google to index pretty much everything we have so we get traffic, there are times where download pages, for example, or internal sales pages or things that you may not want Google to see or for Google to return to their visitors, then it's good to put in what's called a no index tag on it. That way it doesn't necessarily show up in the search results. So it doesn't mean it's going to guarantee it. There's also other things you can do there, but we're just going to focus on this basic tag because it at least is kind of the first thing you can do to safeguard yourself. So what you want to do here is go open up like a notepad file. There's a keyword phrase called meta name equals robots and then content equals no index. So you can pause this video and write that down. You can also just do a search in Google for no index. Let's see, no follow code. I think that'll pull it up there. And some of these sites here, the Dashboard Junkie has it, and they'll have a direct link to the actual code. Like this site does a really good job of explaining it for you, but they also have a link here or a way to just copy that. So if you don't want to pause the video, you can at least grab it there and just copy that way. So once you have that code, let me show you where to put it. And this is again important for like your download pages, which I have over here. So I'm going to just copy this code. So it's meta name robots, and I'm going to open up my download page and go right over here to where it says at the top here. Notice it says meta name robots. It says no index, no follow. So there's two reasons you have those phrases. No index means do not show this page up in the search engines. We do not want it to show up. So that's good for your download pages. The no follow is also important because there's certain times it's like download pages where you have links to other sources and you necessarily don't want Google to find those and include those pages because it might open up some of your pages that are hidden or that you want hidden. And so it's important to use the tag, either the no index one or the no follow. If you do no follow, then they will not spider the other links on that page. So again, you just drop it in right under the title tag. So you're just going to drop that in right under the title tag. There's already maybe something called meta name there. So you're just going to paste it right below that. And then that's going to tell those search engine robots, the Google bots, that you don't want your page indexed. Now, again, this is only good for download pages. 99% of your pages and content, you want them to find it. You want to get that traffic from it. But this is for those pages that you want to protect, like your download pages, your internal sales pages, maybe your landing pages, things that you maybe don't want to show up in Google duplicate times. Say you have pages with a similar content on them, but for different reasons. So you might not need 5 instances of the same content showing up, so you'll throw a no index on there. So there's many reasons why you would do that, but this is a really cool way to identify to the search engines that you do not want this page index. So use that to your advantage because it really can save you a lot of hassle and headache down the line.